Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated Mickey lamp. This is Clarence's equipment from Texas, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now we know Mickey does not have any power, so he's not turning on. Now we want to go ahead and troubleshoot the main PC boards. We're going to do some still pictures of Mickey. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair of this really cool animated Mickey lamp, and we want to go ahead and start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention there's a label up on the bulb socket that says that you should not exceed 75 watts. Now, I wouldn't use a 75 watt bulb in Mickey because it's too much heat, and that can cause damage and discoloration to the plastic. It would be better to use a newer style LED bulb. They do not create the power consumption and the heat that the older style bulbs will have. There's also a switch on the back of Mickey at the base, and you always want to make sure that you turn that switch off when you're plugging Mickey in and unplugging him. Now we've already plugged Mickey in and we've turned the switch in the on position. And so now what we want to do is go ahead and turn Mickey on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
He has a lot of cool sayings when you turn him on and off. We're going to go ahead and turn Mickey off.
So on, pal.
Now we want to wait a little bit before we turn him back on. It's not good to turn these type of lamps on and off real quick. We can go ahead and turn Mickey back on.
That's better.
We'll give it a second. Turn Mickey off.
See you real soon.
And we'll go ahead and turn Mickey on one last time.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya.
Now that we know that this animated Mickey lamp has been repaired, we can return him to Clarence and they can enjoy this lamp once again. Mickey is very sought after, highly collectible, and people really like these type of lamps. And I'm sure he's going to look great no matter where he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.